Hi everyone, it's Leah from Sunshine. We are the manufacturer of folding chairs for over 19 years. Today I will introduce you this hot-selling folding chair. It's very popular in European market. First, you can see the fabric is a luxury mesh fabric with foam inside, so it's breathable and easy to mesh. And secondly, you can see the armrest is very wide and flat. And last, you can see is aluminum frame with power coating treatment, so it's light and the treatment is delicate and smooth. Last, you can see when we fold on the chair, you can see the adjustment of position is very smooth. Okay.